Hi everybody, hello. I've just popped on quickly today with a flip through of our project that we did as a member of the Artimaze design team. This is a journal, this type of journal I have never made before, and I wasn't sure it was going to work out, if I'm brutally honest. I have used mushroom hole punch and these discs, which really generally you think of as a happy planner sort of discs, but I've used them in this project and I must say I am really happy with it, very happy. So let's have a look at what we've got. This is the front cover. This is from Artimaze and it's actually a freebie on a Ko-fi site. Can you believe the generosity of the woman? But I would, if you can, pop over to Artimaze's Ko-fi site. She's got some things for sale and loads of stuff that are free, this being one of them. I have called my journal Beautiful Birds. I think birds are beautiful, but that is the name of the kit that I used in part throughout this. So there we go, and they just turn so readily. And then here we've got a pocket and a big journaling card, some fabric in the back there that I've frayed out, backed on the back so you can journal, no problem, and it's quite sturdy. And these, the brown background was actually a mop-up from where I've been doing an inky background and then just put the surplus onto there, and I think it's lovely. The butterflies are part of a kit, a tag and cluster kit that Artimaze has. This was a snippet roll that we made. We made it, what did we make it? 2 3/4, I think that is, wide. And then I decorated it up with the same snippet kit. The birds are from that kit, the butterflies are from that kit, the labels are from that kit, the tag and cluster kit. And it's just really lovely. I love it. Once again, this was a mop-up. That fits in there. You've got lots of journaling. The background is Tim Holtz. This is that Artimaze? I think so. But I've actually put on a piece of Tim Holtz collage paper because I noticed that in Andrea's kit, this bird and a pair of others appears quite often, and they also appear on the Tim Holtz collage roll. So I just decoupaged that onto there. This is a page from Carolyn's Musings on Etsy. I just loved it. I thought it went very nicely with it. No journaling on there. It's just a pretty design page. Then on the back we've got a pocket with another piece of decoupage in, and then these, this is just one envelope that I showed you start to finish how to make, and inside we've got a journal, well, it is a journaling card, it's an index card really. It's from Janya and it's her coffee stained papers that she sells in her shop. That goes into there perfectly, and there we have it. That's just a gorgeous envelope, I just love it, and that fits in there. Then here we've got a bookmark. 2 Artimaze butterflies, and this, it's just a collage, and I've just put a little bit of ink to lift the colour of the butterflies. But this, as with all the pages, comes out and you can reposition it anywhere you fancy. So if we wanted it here, for example, we could just put it there and put it anywhere you like. So that's where it is there. I actually prefer it where it was, so I'm going to put it back. But they just pop off and pop on. Even the pages pop off and pop on. Just take them off, move it to wherever you want it, and put it back in. It's so convenient, and they move nicely on the rings. Incredible. I didn't think it was going to work that well, if I'm honest with you. There we are. So there's our bookmark, journaling on the back. Journaling here is a piece of Keong's coffee stained paper. It's butterflies from Artimaze. This is from Carolyn's Musings, I think. Another decoupage piece there. That's a stamp that I just coloured in with a bird on. Keong's beautiful coffee stained paper, Artie May's butterfly. This is the same as the piece I used on the front. It's the freebie from Artie May's Ko-fi site, but it's just stunning. I love it. I love the collage in the background and these beautiful birds with a very vintage feel. And on that side, another Artie May's freebie, beautiful. Some journaling space, and this is a decoupage as well from the Tim Holtz collage roll. Here we've got a shortened page, little pocket in here from Artie May's Beautiful Birds kit. This also is from that kit. I've backed it so you can journal on it. That goes in there. A little stamp of a bird that I've coloured, but then there's all journaling here. And then on the back of that, this page is from Carolyn's Musings, and this is from Artie May's Beautiful Birds. Look at that, it's so gorgeous. And it comes, so you fold it over and it's all ready to go. And this pocket's from Artie May's as well, which I absolutely love. Love it. This is from Artie May's Beautiful Birds kit. This is decoupage from the Tim Holtz collage roll where I put on there. Lots of journaling here. Lots of journaling here, another piece of decoupage. This is an Artie May's Beautiful Birds, I want to say, I'm pretty sure it is. No, it's a freebie, that's right. It's a freebie in her Ko-fi site, which I just folded in half and added to the journal. It's just so pretty. Another bookmark, another Artie May's butterfly and Artie May's label. Once again, you can move that, shift it around, do what you want. This is Keong's coffee stained paper. Look at it, isn't it gorgeous? This is a Tim Holtz collage piece. Artie May's butterfly, lots of journaling there. Then here we have a full page pocket really, and in the back we've got a big journaling card. Obviously they are postage stamps, but this and this are Artie May's. This is a Tim Holtz collage pocket card, I think he calls them. And I've just made that collage up, backed it, plenty of journaling there. Then we've got these three little cards, journaling on there, and that one not so much. Then this is the Artie May's Bluebird, isn't it beautiful? Really is. And just some bits of ephemera, and as you can see, it's actually a coin envelope, but big. It's a big coin envelope that I made the pattern up myself. That they don't go in there, they go there. So three little tags there, and then the big one, big journaling card that goes in the back, just to give some added journaling. So that fits in there. And then here, this is from Artie May's Beautiful Birds. This is one of her background pages. Beautiful. I love the background pages actually. And this has got a really big journaling card in the back. This is from the Tags and Clusters pack, I think. Backed so you can journal in it. And it's a really big card. Comes out the top, so I've just given it a little bit of shape. Keong's coffee stained paper. This one is, I've made a pocket, a side pocket with the snippet roll that we made, and I've put that in. That's from Artie May's Beautiful Birds kit. Backed it on the back. This is Tim Holtz paper. Goes in there. And then on the back of that we've got another envelope in a pocket. They're just so pretty. I had to include two. They're gorgeous. And that's got an index, has it? No, that's got a piece of paper in. From Janya. Folded in like so. Beautiful, really. I love those. They came out really well. It just pops into there. And of course there's journaling on here as well. Then more journaling, another bookmark, Artie Mays, Artie Mays. This one's from Carolyn's Musings. I loved it. Fitted in so well with our theme. I just had to include it. And that fits in nicely with the floral that Artie Mays has got in the cluster kit. Then this flips out, so you've got all of that journaling there. All of that journaling there. And this is the back page. Another side pocket made with the cluster, largely the snippets and cluster thing from Artie Mays. That label is, the butterfly is, that label is, these flowers are, that is, and the blue tip I drew and painted myself because I just felt like I needed another bird, so I put him there. And this is from the tag and cluster kit, but you can see how well it goes with that one. So they all marry up together. This is just an inky background. Actually, it's not ink, it's paint, distress paint. I made the background, put the music paper on, but that fitted perfectly, I thought. So that goes into there. And then on the very back page, as I like to do, we've got a big gusseted pocket. Because I always think they're really handy for just shoving things in, and it extends a long way. It's quite a big pocket. And this is an Artie Mays background page, but these are fussy cut from the Beautiful Bird page and stuck them on because they just look so nice there. So that is the Beautiful Birds journal, disc bound. First time I've ever made one, but as I say, I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and I certainly will be doing this again. I like it so much more than the conventional ring bound ones that have maybe 3 rings and they're always shifting on you. This is much more rigid, but it turns really easily. So there you go, who knew? So thanks for watching. It'll be in my Etsy shop very soon, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks, bye.
I don't understand.